Hello friends, welcome to Easy Aviation Shorts. Are you aware that making a coordinated turn of an aircraft is too risky for the pilot? I'm saying this because at 60-degree banking angle, the lift produced by an aircraft wing is twice the weight of aircraft. And if the banking angle reaches to 85 degree, the lift required is somewhere 10 times the weight. As you can see on the screen, there is another very important relationship between the velocity, banking angle and radius of turn which governs the turning of aircraft. I have prepared a very interesting and informative video on the topic coordinated turn and its mechanics. Do check it out on my YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Do share with your aviation enthusiast friends. Let us all make aviation.